What is up, guys? What is up? Guess what? It is Fried Chicken Mondays. I am bringing it back. Yes, Fried Chicken Mondays. I'm going to be cooking fried chicken tonight. I'm going to show you how to make some really good Southern fried chicken. I picked up these from Kroger a few days ago. They got these on sale. Buy one, get one free. I don't know if they still got it, but if they do, y'all go grab y'all some chicken wings. But yes, I'm going to show you how to make some good fried chicken wings, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and get into it right now. All right, guys, we are going to start off with a really good hand wash. Definitely got to keep it clean in the kitchen, guys. We're going to start off getting our hands washed. And take this watch off too. Definitely cannot cook with that, guys. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this chicken washed. We'll be using the Perdue. Like I mentioned, they on sale at Kroger. I don't know if they still on sale, but they were. We're gonna go ahead and get this chicken washed, guys. All right, y'all, so let's talk about the seasonings that we're gonna use for this fried chicken. So now I wanna go ahead and get into that right now. So these are the seasonings that I'm gonna use. These are only like 4 things I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use mustard. I'm gonna try this mustard, guys. We're gonna use this as like a base, and this should be really good. We're gonna use some nature seasoning. We're gonna use, I have a little bit left, but literally the rest of this seasoning all. I love this on my fried chicken, guys. Montreal chicken seasonings made by McCormick Grill Mates. Good stuff. This is really good for fried chicken. And we're gonna use some garlic powder, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get into seasoning this meat. Doesn't that look good, guys? We haven't mixed it up yet, but we definitely finna get ready to do that now. Yes, guys, this is going to be good. Y'all might already hear my stomach growling. I'm so hungry. And I'm gonna put down 4 at once. So yes, guys, I'm hungry. Y'all can hear my stomach. I mean, it's growling. Alrighty, y'all. So now we are going to go ahead and get this chicken on the stove. I'm going to use my favorite pot to fry this chicken. So we're going to go ahead and get this started, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and get it turned on high. I got this canola oil, and we're going to go ahead and get this going, guys. Like I said, I'm very hungry. I am definitely ready to eat this fried chicken, and I'm also ready to show y'all how this is gonna turn out. Fried chicken is also my favorite food, guys. I just want y'all to know that. Between fried chicken and hot wings, I can't decide, but it is definitely one of them. But all right, guys, we're gonna wait for this to heat up, and then in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken floured up. I'm gonna show y'all that. Always keep you a good bowl to mix up and flour your chicken, guys. We're gonna go ahead and flour up our chicken. It smells good, it certainly looks good, and I cannot wait to show you guys the final product too. All right, guys, the oil is heated up, so we're gonna go ahead and drop this chicken in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the heat down to about medium. You definitely don't want to burn this. You don't want to risk burning it. So cut it down to medium, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and fry this chicken. And I'm definitely gonna come back and show you guys the results of how this came out, guys. All right, guys, let's check this chicken out. It's pretty much done now. Look at that, guys. Crispy fried chicken. Yes, guys. Yes. All right, guys, look at this chicken. It is fried to perfection. Golden, brown, crispy. Definitely thank all of y'all for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please definitely give your boy a like, comment, definitely subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you all. See you in the next one. All right.